Working to grow small accounts without seeing any progress can wear you down. If you try everything enough clicks, guys, this might help. I'm gonna share this strategy finally turn things around for me, and it could do the same for you. Wait to see the surprise I've prepared for you. Stay with me through the whole video, it's worth it. Guys, today we're gonna use only two indicators, alright? ZigZag and moving average. That is so simple and so good, right? So for the ZigZag, we're gonna use 5, 4, and 3 on the indicators, on the settings, excuse me. And that's the color that you're gonna use. For the moving average, the first one 3 simple movements. Second one 6. All right. And guys, as the usual, the colors is that one. We're gonna use blue, and as the usual, classic candles and 1 minute on the time frame. $31. We're gonna start with $20, the first operation, and 1 minute on expiration time. All right, and now we are ready to go with or have all this set up. So let's start with this, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. As I told you, I want to remind that for everyone that is our interest, the platform is link in the video description. All right. So now let's move on to discussion of the method. While the specific moments looks very convincing. Of course, all this aspects should be taken into account. And first of all, guys, the first response for this indicator specific method is to get the movement. All right, right here we have bear situation. That is a downtrend. You can follow that with the zigzag and the moving average lines. And if you look after crossing this one, the blue lines, okay, the white and blue lines on the moving average, you see a big red candle. It's a good one, and I think this means it's very big downtrend. And the yellow zigzag as well. And as you can see, guys, the candle that's moving went down more. Of course, I'm going to win this one. 38 of that, 49 in the total. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Guys, to know this is just one of the strategies that could change your path in the market. To go professional, mastering the best of most profitable methods is necessary. Don't worry, I've prepared two exclusive results that will be video for the development. Stay tuned to the end. Alright guys, I'm still looking for a good downtrend as it's selling has its friend at, and the big red candle have rising here. Look at that. The previous candle. Here the signal does not indicate the danger that trend may change in the positive direction. I think so. Alright. That is we are seeing right now with the indicators. Alright. So I always follow the combined signal of the indicators and candles. Of course, in two situations, or the red candle reached their maximal sales. So we are good for now. We are safe in this way. As you can see, my discussion paid off. The red candle went even lower than almost. Look at this. Just passed through our entry point. We are good for this. Alright. And after that, I think I will drop trade in this current pair, guys. And look at this. 2, 1. Oh, we got this. $77, guys. That's just so good. Let's move on to the next. Alright, guys. So this is a moment when it's very good to open position, and there it's a high probability that candle will continue to move down again into the previous level. I also hear that it was possible to enter the trade early because I wouldn't open the position from a better moment. I think, okay, let's see that. I'm sure if the moving average line have crossed over each other, in the yellow line of the zigzag indicators, it's pointing down and big red candle also made it. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And that is there the strong sell, and this is the best moment to open a position in the downward direction. All right. And as you can see, the candles went down even more, and it's perfect situation. We are in a dangerous situation right now, to be honest. But that's the perfect one, and look at that. It's getting down. Oh my gosh. Just got this, guys. Very good. $118 the total. That's so good. 3 successful trade in a row. As I read to this matter helped me a lot of fun, good position, and it's easier to have successful trade session when have a combination of such indicators. Guys, don't forget it. My videos and our investment advice is just for educational in natural. All right, guys, just write in the comments. Okay, just give your opinion, hit the like button, and just remember that. Okay, so we should successful trade with good profits and see you around. Bye bye.